Hey friends, Billy Teagarden here in the kitchen, and I'm going to show you how I make my delicious Rice Krispie Treats. Before we get started, please subscribe, like, share, comment, turn on your notifications so you'll know when my next video comes out, and let's get started. Let me show you what we got. First, I have 6 cups of Rice Krispies in my bowl here. I have a cup of miniature chocolate chips. I have a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. I have a cup of peanut butter. I have a 1/4 cup peanut butter, and I have a 1/2 stick of butter, or a 1/2 cup butter, and I have my vanilla and my marshmallows here. So first of all, we're going to get our butter melted. These are delicious, folks, truly delicious. Once we get our butter melted, we're going to add our marshmallows, pretty much the whole bag. Okay, I want to go on and take my miniature chocolate chips in my 1/4 bowl here, and I want to go on and put in my 1/4 cup of butter, and I'll show you what we're going to do with that here shortly. So let's get that heating. Okay, we have our butter melted. Let me give this a little bit of a stir back here. Okay, now we're going to put in about our whole bag of marshmallows here. Just going to leave us a few of them, and I'll show you why here in a minute. Now, get our marshmallows melted up. A little bit more butter. We want this, our peanut butter chocolate, to where it will actually pour. Okay, it's looking pretty good. And our marshmallows. Okay. We're going to get our peanut butter here off in our marshmallows. It's getting there. We'll put some vanilla in here. About like that. Now see our peanut butter, and everything's melted real good. Okay, throw this back on the heat just a minute. Check our chocolate and peanut butter here. Okay, it looks pretty good. That'll pour. Okay, this is all about being fast here. So let me get my camera up here a little bit. Okay, now we'll dump our peanut butter mixture in here. Get all that goodness in there. Okay. Now, get this a mixing. Now, we're going to dump the rest of our marshmallows in here. We're going to get them to swirl. Now our marshmallows are starting to melt some. Okay. Now, we're going to dump our chocolate chips in here. We're not going to mix this real good, so our chocolate chips will pretty much stay intact. And they'll melt some, and that's okay. Now you see our chocolate chips and our marshmallows in there. Okay. Now we're going to get our pan. We're going to dump part of this in here. Yeah, let's dump it all. Dump it all. Okay. Yeah. I love Rice Krispie Treats, folks. Yes, I do. That's why I fixed a big old pan of them. Let me get something I can spread this around with. Okay. Now, don't forget our chocolate mix here. Chocolate peanut butter. Now, we're going to drizzle this over the top of it. Okay, got it. Okay, now we're going to spread this around on here. Not much to making these, folks. Not much at all. There we go. Pretty good. Now, I'm going to take just a few of my chocolate chips. Turn that stove off, it's getting hot. Take just a few of my chocolate chips and scatter them around on here. And our chocolate top will help hold them in place. There we go. We'll just pat these down here a little. There we go. And there we have it, folks. Our peanut butter, chocolate chip, chocolate Rice Krispie Treats. When it cools down and we can get us a bite, I'll be back and show you what we got. Okay, folks, our chocolate chip peanut butter Rice Krispie Treats are done, and we have already eaten a far out of them, and they just cooled enough to get into. And I'm telling you what, these are knockout great. Try it. Really no recipe. Follow my directions when we made them. You can come out with the same thing. You can leave the chocolate out of the peanut butter on top. Just melt it with butter, pour over top of it. Anything you want to do. Try it. It comes out super great. I mean, this is so awesome. And I've already got me another one heated up a little bit, ready to go. So try these out, folks. You'll love them. So anyways, folks, it's been Billy Teagarden with In the Kitchen. I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, follow. Thank you guys. Till next time, we've enjoyed it here. Love you. See ya.